Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see cross join in MySQL. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. So let's get started with this video. As we already know that join operation work for a table 2 or more than 2. So cross join also work for the tables where number of tables are 2 or more than 2. So as the name suggests, cross join, it will multiply the two tables, so you will get the output from a table 1 and table 2, so it will return all the data from the table. So now we will see how cross join functions. Suppose in customer table there are four columns: id, name, age and salary, and there are four records. In order table there are four columns: order ID, customer ID, amount and order date, and there are three records. So if we apply cross join and our first table is customer table and our second table is order table, so what will happen? This four column will be there in output, and from order table the four columns will be there. Now in cross join, first it will select the table 1 and select the first record. The first record is 1 hour of 35 and salary is 32,000. Now this will multiply with the all the three records of order table. So our output for first record will be 1 hour of 35 and 32,000, and this record will multiply with all the three records of order table. In the same way, second record, third record and fourth record will multiply with all the three records of order table. So the size of our output will be 12 records, 4 records from customer table and 3 records from order table. So all 4 records from customer table will multiply with the 3 records present in order table. So the size of our output will be 12 records. Now we will see and understand with the help of one example. So as I already told that our first table is customer table, so we will go to the edit inline. So this will be our query: select star from customer and the alias name is C, cross join order and alias name is O. Customer is our table 1, order is our table 2, and cross join is a keyword for cross join. Now when you go with this query, you can see the 12 records: 3, 3, 6, 3, 9 and 3, 12. As I already told you that the first record will multiply with all the three records from order table. So 1 hour of 35 and 32,000 will multiply with order ID 100, the same will multiply with order ID 101, and the same multiply with 103. Now it will select the second record from customer table, and it will again multiply with order ID 100, order ID 101 and order ID 103. In the same way, it will select the another other record, that is 3, and it will again select the order ID 100, 101, 103, and the same process will happen until there will be no record from table 1. In the same way, if you select our order table as a table 1 and customer table as our table 2, then the number of record returning will be same only, but the order will change. We will also understand this with the help of one example. So this will be our query. In this query, our first table is order table and our second table is customer table. So when you go with this query, you can see the order is changed, but the output that is written is same only. Previously also there is a 12 records, and in this also there are 12 records. Only the order of the column is changed. The order table column first appear over here, then customer columns appear over here. In this way, cross join will work. Cross join means multiplication of the columns of the two tables. So it will select the table 1, select the first record, multiply that column record with all the other columns of second table, and in the same process will happen until the table 1 records will end. So in this way, cross join work in MySQL. So this is a basic video regarding cross join. I tried to explain you how cross join function in MySQL. So you can also try this in your localhost phpMyAdmin or in your database and try this functioning, and if you try, it will clear your concepts regarding the cross join. For this video, this is it. If you haven't liked this video, please like this video, comment your thought, what you think about this video. If you haven't shared this video, please share this video with your friends, with everyone who wants to learn MySQL and cross join. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. We'll see you in our next video.